Alright folks, today we're making a quick and easy no-bake pie. I grew up with my mom making variations of this pie. I've been making these pies for years on my own, but today I made a little accident. So I melted the hard chocolate, and right here, instead of adding the chocolate to the peanut butter first, I added it to the whipped cream, and this resulted in tiny little millions of pieces of tiny chocolate pieces. Like I said, normally I combine the chocolate and peanut butter first, then add that to the Cool Whip, and the result is this smooth and creamy textured Cool Whip pie. But we got this instead, and I've never made this accident, but it resulted in something really interesting. In the end, I didn't like it all that much, but I thought the texture was interesting. Other people did like this pie, but as far as my taste for myself, I like more chocolate in there. So this has started a series of experiments that I will do, combining both of the methods. I'm thinking first I'll add chocolate to the peanut butter separately, and then also separately add the chocolate to the Cool Whip, so I can get the full effect of the chocolate immersed in the pie and all of the tiny little pieces of the chocolate. And I'll also switch to a chocolate crust. I had this crust left over from a party and just wanted to get rid of it. So after I make the insert for this pie, I put it in the freezer overnight or for 6 hours if you want to have it the same day. Like and follow to see part 2.